Hello, my name is Kim BongJoon and my assigned number is 197. Today I'm going to talk about what small business owners need to know about taxes and selling online in the COVID-19 era. These are the terminologies that I found through going over this topic. The first one is budget deficit. A budget deficit is a situation when spending exceeds income. The term applies to governments, although individuals, companies, and other organizations can run deficits. A deficit must be paid. If it isn't, then it creates debt. Each year's deficit adds to the debt. As the debt grows, it increases the deficit as well. The second is economic threshold. It is the density at which control measures should be determined to prevent an increasing pest population from reaching the economic injury level. The third one is marketplace facilitator. These are those who collect and remit sales tax on sales facilitated on behalf of marketplace sellers if they exceed certain thresholds. Now, let's start with discussing what happened. Before the COVID-19 era, small businesses in the US were generally exempt from complying tax. However, since the COVID-19 showed up, people's lifestyle was immensely influenced by activities, purchases, and transactions done through the net rather than visiting a store or making an offline purchase. Accordingly, the tax rules are also continuously and rapidly changing. If we look at the reason for these circumstances, the main is obviously the COVID-19 pushing customers to social distancing, naturally leading them to purchase things online. Although there were numerous severe incidents, people's death and social issues, time passed until now, and the harsh times when everyone was hit by sudden strike of COVID-19 has sort of passed and people are retrieving their health. This is when the state and local governments are facing major budget deficit since the economy status was significantly unstable, not just in the US, but across the globe. They decided to collect taxes more diligently. Furthermore, prior to the landmark case of South Dakota and Wayfair, sellers originally did not have to pay tax if the online purchase was made by customers in the same state. However, the US Supreme Court's ruling was revised that state and local governments have their full rights to collect sales taxes from purchases made online no matter the location. Thus, there were changes of the tax rules even by states. The state of Arizona, Georgia, and Tennessee reduced their total sale amount and transactions amount. The potential impacts of this event are that this may immensely impact small businesses because not all businesses are going through rapid hikes in sales. Incremental benefit for the state and government, and people trying to cheat to reduce the taxation amount they have to pay. Finally, to conclude by my opinion, I think the state and government should raise the benefits of paying higher tax than before. Then the state and government should contribute more to the society and locals with the higher tax they get. Lastly, small businesses and consumers should continuously look out for themselves and study law even in the minimum level area to prepare for emergencies that may have to do with their own business. These are my references, and thank you for listening.